The U.S. may see fewer items on store shelves this month as Trump's tariffs kick in and investors flee to Bitcoin. It's Thursday, May 1st, 2025. I'm Christine Lee. This is CoinDesk Daily. The impact of U.S. President Donald Trump's reciprocal tariffs is starting to be felt as the U.S. economy contracted for the first time in 3 years last quarter, and stock prices have seen their worst first 100-day performance of a presidential administration since 1974. Trump blaming the declining market on former President Joe Biden on Truth Social, assuring that they have nothing to do with tariffs and companies will move into the USA in record numbers. But supply chain disruptions tied to recent U.S. tariffs and reduced imports from China are expected to be felt significantly starting in May, with potential for widespread impact by June and July. This could lead to shortages reminiscent of COVID-era disruptions. The National Retail Federation estimates a 20% import drop in the second half of 2025, exacerbating delays and price hikes. Despite this, Bitcoin has shown remarkable resilience, outperforming the Nasdaq by 11% since Trump's tariff liberation day on April 2nd. While first quarter GDP fell 0.3% and major stock indexes posted losses last month, Bitcoin held strong, rising nearly 15% against the dollar in April as investors started using it as a safe haven, along with gold and the Swiss franc. CoinShares head of research James Butterfield saying equities and Bitcoin appear to have recoupled, both rebounding today on renewed hopes of an imminent interest rate cut. A disappointing payroll figure on Friday, which we see as likely, could be the final nail in the coffin for Fed Chair Jerome Powell, paving the way for more dovish policy from the Fed. Meanwhile, results from trading platform Robinhood also showed markets cooled in the first 3 months of the year, even as it beat analyst forecasts for both revenue and earnings per share. CoinDesk's Crypto Daybook America's team reporting it wasn't alone. Major tech companies, including Microsoft and Meta, beat estimates, and crucially, Robinhood's revenue from crypto doubled from the earlier quarter. That may foreshadow what to look for later Thursday when Block, Riot Platforms, Strategy, and Reddit post results after the closing bell. Ripple offered to acquire stablecoin issuer Circle for up to $5 billion, but the bid was rejected as too low. Bloomberg reporting that Circle, which issues the $62 billion USDC stablecoin, is focusing on its planned initial public offering, while Ripple remains interested but has not decided on a new offer. Ripple launched its RLUSD stablecoin in December with a market cap of about $317 million, far smaller than USDC's. The proposed takeover reflects Ripple's ambition to expand in the stablecoin market amid growing competition and regulatory developments. For more crypto news, head on over and download the CoinDesk mobile app, available on iOS and Android.